show that 2 points are all equidistant. From line 3x minus 4y minus 4 is equal to 0. 2 points are equidistant from a line if they are located at the same perpendicular distance from that line. This means that if you draw perpendicular lines from each point to the given line, those perpendicular segments will be of equal length. We are given points C, 7, -2, and D, 1, 6, and the line 3x minus 4y minus 4 is equal to 0. We want to show that C and D are equidistant from this line. The perpendicular distance from an arbitrary point, x0, y0, to the line ax plus b, y plus c equals 0 is There you have it. We have shown that C and D are equidistant from the line.